Kalidasa, the Dasa of Kali, means the servant of Kali, the famous goddess Kali of India. Kalidasa said, "Please subdue the anguish of your soul. Nobody is destined only to happiness or pain. The wheel of life takes one up and down by turn." Kalidasa was a classical Sanskrit writer widely regarded as the greatest poet and dramatist in the Sanskrit language of India. His plays are primarily based on the Vedas, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, and the Puranas. As he was reading out to a gathered crowd this play Shakuntala in Colombo, an assassin knifed him to death in Colombo. Kalidasa said, "Please subdue the anguish of your soul. Nobody is destined only to happiness or pain. The wheel of life takes one up and down by turn." To say, "Please subdue the anguish of your soul" is very easy when people are living with pain, the loss of their near and dear ones, the loss of their money. Every day news coming of the relatives of this or that. They are living in anguish, they are living in pain, no proper light, no proper fan, living in a shed. Lot of anguish for the people. To say is enough. Nobody is destined only to happiness or pain. Where is happiness for the majority of the people? To say they know only pain and pain. They hardly could see happiness. They're waiting. The wheel of life takes one up and down by turn. They do not know what is up. They only know it is going down and down. And they start screaming to God. They rush up to the temples, to churches, to the masjid to find out some solution, but there is no solution anywhere else. Rushes up to the doctors because of psychological disturbances, and no doctors, no hospitals can help them. To say is very easy. There is one part of the story. Another part, please subdue the anguish of your soul. How do you subdue or suppress the anguish of your soul? First of all, there's nothing to subdue. When you work very, very hard, you can work very, very hard if you have the land. You work very, very hard, yes. And you work hard, the last drop of a talent to be drawn out, like how you take the last drop of the milk from the udder of the HF cow. Cow is healthy, you make the profit. Same wise is the body. And you work very, very hard, yes. When you see the pain and there's some more to be completed, every day you put something into the land to grow a vegetable garden if you are in the kitchen, a medicinal garden, a fruit tree, and so many things. Please subdue the anguish of your soul. In that you find a new yoga. In that you find karma yoga. Keep doing work without expecting results. There is happiness or pain. They do not differentiate between this and that. They cannot differentiate because the pain is not painful. It is very sweet for them. They know in that pain you have to work a little more harder, to push a little more harder, and in that harder they could get a good slave. Nobody is destined only to happen. The wheel of life takes up and down by turn. They know it goes up and goes down. The people working very hard goes up and comes down. That is the greatest yoga. They found out in that working very hard, if they are little conscious, and consciousness happens of its own. It is jnana yoga. All the jnana comes because they are right under the sunlight. They are right in the wind, right in the rainfall. They know what time the rain will come, when rain will come, what time the wind will come. They are so conscious. They know the science. They know the mathematics. That is jnana yoga. And bhakti yoga, as they are working, they sing so many songs. There's so much of bhakti for their work, so much of faith for their work. Today when I went to the grass cutting area and I was cutting the grass, I casually asked the workers, "You're cutting the grass and snakes will not come? If suppose snake is there, He said, snakes will not be there because while you're cutting the grass, we sing song or we discuss something. Just hearing our sound in the song, the snake gives way. Snakes will not be there. They'll go off. They know we are coming. They give way. The mountain gives way. The ocean gives way. Can you believe these people whom you think are on the lower grade, just near to the village? They know the science. Nobody has to teach them. Such is the jnana. As you go deeper, it becomes so meditative. Raja Yoga happens of its own. The leg stretches this way when you climb the tree, and that way. All the Raja Yoga asanas happens of its own. They know what is pranayama, how to bring, how not to bring. When they feel a little tired, they have to pop. Kapalabhati happens of its own. Can you believe? Working with them is an art by itself. You do not have to go for vipassana meditation. Most of the ashrams are killing people, making them sit. Sitting a long time is cancerous. Flowing water, fresh water, stagnant water. And these people are meditative. They know what is meditation happens of its own. In that hard labor, no past and present. Everything stops. That's what you're teaching them, no? And they see only the divine. Divine just not they see the divine. It is divine by itself. Please subdue the anguish of your soul. Nobody is destined only to happiness or pain. The wheel of life takes one up and down by turn. When you work very, very hard, suppose you do not have the light, never mind. In your house, when you go back to your work, you work in that place, work very hard, and help them to see how you can climb up the ladder to reach the topmost, so that you can give some more people some more job, you can take care of something deep down there when you come back home. Or you are an artist, suppose you are a dancer, you dance and dance and dance, and you fall down with the giddiness, you know the pain, and you get up. 7 times you have giddiness, fall down, that day you are completed your one day of a dance, and you are not called a dancer, you are dancing very close to Nataraj, very close to God, your God. The same on the singing, you sing and sing and sing, so much deep down you sing. And the plants and the trees around, they give beautiful flowers, the trees bear beautiful the trees give beautiful fruits. People surrounding them have got no psychological problem. You sing and sing and sing. The singing becomes so fluent, like the poetry. The person who went to learn poetry, Haikyuu, 12 years he learned under a master, and he sees so many people coming there and learning so many poetry, but only for him, only one poetry, again and again, and repeatedly made him do. He ran away from that master's place and went to Tokyo City, and they saw the international poetry Haikyuu competitions going on. He would hear the poetry. It was so stupid, so downgrade. He said, what kind of poetry is that? He went and begged them. As a last resort, they said, okay, we'll give you a chance. He went to the stage. He said a poetry, and the whole audience stood up and gave a standing ovation. He was shocked. That time everybody asked, who is a master? He was feeling shy. He ran away from the master. That time he realized, from one deeper down you polish. And you see, you become very strong. The doctors, when you become a doctor and you work very, very hard, yes, you work very, very hard, and you understand what is diseases. You learn the allopathy, you learn naturopathy, you learn yoga, you learn Ayurveda, then you learn yoga therapy, you learn homeopathy, then the natural method. And then you have a medicine garden, you go to the medicine garden, you dig the medicine garden, you're strong, mentally also strong. Then you and your patient becomes a deep intimate relationship, and then you can see, you find out how much diseases, by the look itself you can finish it. You can create an app and make sure spring, summer, autumn, winter, rainy season, before disease comes you send an app and people knows what to do, what not to do. The engineer will make a house so beautiful, it's got deeply involved engineering. Can you believe? When one lady went to Germany, she was in the town, she said, if light goes, what will happen? And man was shocked, was telling our electricity board chief engineers, and make sure light doesn't go even for a second. He was shocked, even the topic cannot be even open. Light doesn't go even for one time. Please subdue the anguish. Then you can subdue the anguish of everybody, so pain will come down. Engineers, yes, politicians, they understand how many people are there in that locality. The rainwater harvesting must, solar, wind energy, and then how many hospitals are there, how many schools are there. Yes, all that they plan, so they become a very good politician. Then you do not have to go around for asking for a ticket. Ticket happens of its own, winning happens of its own. Policemen, they know that area is very, very important. Yes, and they make sure that you have to secure that area. How many people come in, how many people go out. In Japan, there is a book coming from the police station, and the policeman gives them the book, and every house signs it up, and they tell how many people came from outside staying with them. And then the people came from outside, they are taken and they are given a felicitation. The policemen who came from outside, who went out from outside. Here now the book is not needed, but an app is needed. The policeman can send the app, the details to the WhatsApp group, and people can understand what is there, what is not there. They can update it up. When Sanklina sir became the police commissioner, Sanklina sir was very close to us. He became the police commissioner. He made sure all the police stations, make sure they rush up to all the houses. They should know how many houses are there, how many elderly people are there in the house. They go to the elderly people's house every day, sign and ask what they wanted. Even Sanklina sir made sure that every police station, they send that policeman to the schools to find out the girls and boys, how many buses, how many security guards are there. These security guards are coming from where? That is there. When then policeman does that work, they are very close to God, very close to divine. Please submit the anguish of your soul. There's nothing to separate. People are very happy. You made the people very happy. You are called a Maharishi engineer. You are called Maharishi doctor. You are called Maharishi policeman. Called Maharishi politician. Where there is pain, Kalidasa said, please submit the anguish of your soul. Nobody is destined only to happiness or pain. And this and that will never happen. The wheel of life takes one up and down by turn. It happens and people enjoy. When rain comes, rain. Sunlight comes, sunlight comes. This is my 93rd short discourse. God bless.